Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation. Today, we'll be exploring how to streamline school administration with Power Apps. The goal is to show you how this tool can enhance efficiency, improve communication, and simplify data management in education settings. Over the next few slides, we'll look at practical solutions and real-world benefits. Let's get started. Let's talk about some of the common challenges we face in school administration. One major issue is managing school supplies. It's a time-consuming task that takes away from more important educational priorities. When staff spend so much time on inventory and ordering supplies, it leaves less time to focus on teaching. Another challenge is administrative tasks like attendance tracking. While necessary, these tasks also consume a lot of valuable time that could be better spent supporting students and teachers. The more time spent on paperwork, the less on direct educational support. Now, when it comes to student progress, nearly all schools report that some students are lagging behind in subjects like math and English. These gaps are not just numbers. They impact students' overall academic growth and future opportunities. Finally, staff shortages are a significant concern. As of late 2024, about half of public school leaders report that they're experiencing staff shortages. This situation really limits the support that can be provided to both students and teachers, making it even harder to meet everyone's needs effectively. All of these challenges highlight the need for smarter, more efficient solutions to improve school administration and, ultimately, student success. Let's take a closer look at why attendance data is so important. Accurate attendance records are essential because they directly impact our ability to improve student engagement. When we have reliable data, we can identify students who may need additional support or encouragement. However, there are challenges. Errors and inefficiencies in tracking attendance can really hinder our efforts to enhance learning outcomes. If the data isn't accurate or timely, it becomes difficult to make informed decisions about student support. Now, many schools still rely on manual attendance tracking. This process can be quite time-consuming and is highly prone to mistakes, which only complicates the use of attendance data. When staff spend so much time on this, it takes away from valuable teaching and engagement time. Furthermore, existing systems like student information systems and learning management systems often struggle, especially with hybrid or remote learning setups. This can lead to data confusion and security issues, making it harder to maintain accurate and secure records. All of these points highlight the need for a more streamlined, reliable approach, something that Power Apps can help us achieve, making attendance management more efficient and effective. Improving communication between staff, students, and parents is crucial for creating a more connected school community. Streamlining school administration with Power Apps can really make a difference here. On this slide, I want to emphasize the importance of simplifying and clarifying communication channels. When communication is clear, it helps build stronger connections because everyone knows where to turn for information. The need for simplified channels becomes even more evident when we see that using multiple communication tools can often confuse parents and students. This confusion can cause them to miss important updates, which we all want to avoid. Another challenge with having too many tools is that many communication methods tend to be one way. While that might seem efficient, it can actually come across as bossy and may damage relationships over time. It also makes it harder to foster open, two-way conversations that build trust and understanding. So, by focusing on clear, streamlined communication channels, we can improve relationships and ensure everyone stays informed and engaged. That's why this effort to simplify communication is so vital as part of our overall goal to enhance school administration and community engagement. Let's take a closer look at some of the challenges we face with resource allocation and scheduling in schools. This rigidity in our current systems makes it really difficult to optimize daily operations. It's not just about efficiency. It also impacts our ability to support the diverse needs of different student groups effectively. When schools are unable to adjust resources or schedules on the fly, it can hinder personalized learning. Surveys consistently show that public schools rarely modify their resources when there's a clear need. This inflexibility means we're often missing opportunities to better serve students and improve educational outcomes. Overall, these challenges highlight the importance of having more adaptable, streamlined systems, like Power Apps, that can help us break down these barriers and create a more responsive educational environment. Now, let's look at how streamlining school administration with Power Apps can make a real difference. Efficient tracking systems allow schools to identify and address issues proactively, rather than reacting to problems after they've grown. This proactive approach leads to better outcomes for both students and teachers, creating a more supportive learning environment. When we talk about school improvement, analyzing performance metrics becomes crucial. It's about making informed decisions based on reliable data. However, delays in processing this data can slow down vital interventions, which means we might miss opportunities to support students or improve teaching strategies in a timely manner. That's why having the right tools is so important. Schools need systems that provide real-time data and generate automated reports. These tools help us quickly spot trends and identify areas where improvements are needed, enabling us to act swiftly. But currently, monitoring grades, attendance, and teacher performance can be challenging. Many schools rely on outdated or manual systems, which can be slow and cumbersome. Gathering and analyzing this data takes too long, causing delays in gaining insights that could otherwise be used to make impactful changes. Overall, upgrading to real-time, automated systems is essential for more effective school management and continuous improvement. Now, let's look at how Power Apps can streamline school administration. One of the key strengths is its seamless integration with Microsoft tools like Teams and Dynamics 365. This compatibility means that everything works smoothly within the Microsoft ecosystem, making collaboration much easier for everyone involved. Another important feature is how simple it is to create apps. Power Apps offers drag-and-drop tools, which really lowers the barrier for users who don't have technical backgrounds. You don't need to be a developer to build useful solutions that fit your school's needs. Additionally, Power Apps provides live dashboards that show real-time data. These dashboards are incredibly helpful for monitoring various aspects of school operations and supporting quick, informed decision-making. And perhaps most exciting is that schools can build custom apps without writing a single line of code. This means tasks can be automated, workflows streamlined, and existing systems connected, all tailored specifically to your school's unique requirements. Together, these features showcase how Power Apps is a powerful tool to make school administration more efficient, integrated, and responsive. Now, let's look at how Power Apps can help us generate reports instantly, providing actionable insights that can really make a difference. With this tool, school leaders can access real-time data, ensuring decisions are based on the most current information. This not only improves accuracy, but also speeds up problem-solving when issues arise. Next, we see how automating resource management processes can significantly boost operational efficiency. By streamlining these tasks, staff members are freed up from time-consuming paperwork and can focus more on supporting students and enhancing teaching. Finally, automated attendance tracking is a game changer. Power Apps updates attendance data immediately, making it easier for school leaders to identify attendance issues quickly and respond proactively. Overall, these capabilities help us run schools more smoothly and effectively. Now, let's look at how Power Apps can help streamline school administration and improve communication within the educational community. One key aspect is the integration with Microsoft Teams, which makes collaboration much easier. By connecting Power Apps with teams, staff, teachers, and parents can work together more efficiently, sharing information seamlessly. Planning meetings becomes simpler too. Using Power Apps, you can schedule and organize meetings without hassle, making sure everyone is on the same page. This also helps foster better collaboration between parents and teachers, creating a more engaged and transparent educational environment. Sharing student progress is another critical point. With Power Apps, you can share updates in real time, so parents are always informed about their child's development. This transparency helps strengthen relationships and builds trust. Finally, building custom apps allows schools to send real-time updates directly to families. These tools keep everyone involved and informed, making the entire communication process more dynamic and effective. Overall, these integrations and tools are designed to make school administration more efficient and communication more meaningful. Power Apps empowers schools to create custom solutions quickly and efficiently. What's great is that you don't need to be a programmer to build these apps. The platform removes the barrier of coding, making it accessible for all staff members. This means schools can respond to their unique challenges without waiting for IT support or external help. They can adapt and implement solutions on the spot, saving time and improving operations. And the best part is the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. It's so easy to use that any staff member can design tailored apps in no time. This flexibility allows everyone to contribute to solving problems and streamlining processes, making the whole school more agile and responsive. Overall, Power Apps puts the power of app creation into the hands of school staff, enabling them to meet their specific needs efficiently and effectively. Now, let's take a look at how Power Apps integrate seamlessly with other Microsoft tools to streamline school administration. First, Power Apps works very effectively with Power BI. This means you can combine the data you collect with Power Apps and visualize it in Power BI, enabling advanced data analysis and helping you make more informed decisions quickly. Next, Power Apps pairs nicely with Excel. This synergy allows for smoother data management and analysis, improving efficiency because you can easily import, export, and work with data across both platforms without hassle. Moving on, Power Apps also integrates seamlessly with Dynamics 365 CRM. This connection simplifies managing customer relationships, making tasks like tracking interactions or updating records much more straightforward, which is essential in managing school communities and stakeholder relationships. Finally, Power Apps works smoothly with Microsoft Teams. This integration enhances collaboration among staff and teachers by streamlining communication, sharing updates, and working together more effectively, all within the tools they already use daily. Overall, these integrations exemplify how Power Apps connects with the broader Microsoft ecosystem, making school administration more efficient, data-driven, and collaborative. Now, let's talk about mobile access and flexibility, which is a key part of streamlining school administration with Power Apps. One of the main advantages is that you can access student grades conveniently right on your mobile devices. This means no matter where you are, you can quickly check how students are doing without having to be at your desk. This instant access helps keep schools running smoothly because everyone can get the information they need right away. Similarly, checking attendance has become much faster. You can do it from your phone or tablet, making it easier to track who's present or absent in real time. Mobile tools really simplify this process and help ensure that the attendance data is accurate and up to date. Another important point is leave requests. Approving them on the go allows staff and teachers to stay connected and responsive, even outside of regular office hours. Whether you're out of the school or just away from your desk, you can seamlessly approve or manage these requests. Finally, managing school tasks has never been easier. Whether you're on a phone, tablet, or laptop, you can handle tasks anytime, anywhere. This flexibility is essential for educators and administrators who need to stay productive and responsive, no matter where they are. All these points highlight how mobile access empowers us to manage school operations more efficiently, making our workflows smoother and more adaptable in today's fast-paced environment. Now, let's take a closer look at how we ensure data security and compliance when streamlining school administration with Power Apps. First, all data is stored securely in Azure SQL Database and Azure Blob Storage, which are trusted cloud services known for their robust security features. This means that sensitive information like student records or staff data is protected at the storage level. Next, any online traffic that moves between users and the system is secured with TLS 1.2 or higher. This encryption protocol helps prevent unauthorized access or interception of data during transmission, adding an extra layer of security. When it comes to compliance, powerapps adheres to major regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. This compliance ensures that our data handling practices meet international standards for privacy and protection, giving us confidence that we're managing information responsibly. Access to this data is carefully controlled through role-based access control. Essentially, this means only authorized personnel can view or modify sensitive information, depending on their role within the organization. It's a way to minimize risks and maintain privacy. Finally, to further protect our data, powerapps employs encryption not just at rest, but also during transfer. This encryption safeguards sensitive school data from unauthorized access, keeping it secure and confidential at all times. All these measures come together to create a secure environment that supports our goal of efficient, compliant school management through powerapps. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of how powerapps is making a difference in educational institutions. First, at the University of Washington, they used powerapps to automate their hearing processes. This significantly reduces manual work, making the entire hearing cycle more efficient and less error-prone. It's a great example of how automation can free up time and resources for more strategic tasks. Then, over at the University of South Carolina, they developed a chatbot to handle administrative tasks. This innovation streamlines day-to-day operations, providing quick support and freeing up staff to focus on more complex issues. Both of these examples show how powerapps can be a powerful tool in transforming school operations, making them more efficient and responsive. It's all about leveraging technology to improve administrative workflows and enhance the overall educational experience. Now, let's look at how powerapps can really transform school administration by streamlining resource and facility management. First, it helps ensure that maintenance tasks are completed on time, which keeps school facilities in top shape. This not only supports smoother daily operations, but also prevents unexpected disruptions that can affect learning. With real-time updates and automation, schools can optimize how they use their resources. This means better allocation of funds and supplies, leading to cost savings and more efficient management overall. Powerapps also enables schools to plan repairs more effectively. Instead of reactive fixes, schools can schedule maintenance proactively, reducing downtime and making sure that classrooms, labs, and other facilities are always functional when students and staff need them. And when it comes to supplies, powerapps makes tracking resources simple and accurate. This way, schools always know what they have on hand and can restock before shortages happen, keeping operations running smoothly. All these features tie back to our overall goal: creating smarter, more efficient schools that support a better educational environment through innovative technology. Now, let's talk about how dashboards can truly support better decision-making within our schools. The insights they provide help us understand what's happening in real time, allowing us to make informed choices quickly and confidently. When users have access to accurate and timely information, they can act more effectively, whether it's addressing a student's needs or optimizing resource allocation. Dashboards also play a crucial role in identifying patterns early on. This means we can spot potential issues before they become major problems, giving us the chance to intervene promptly and keep everything running smoothly. Another key feature is the interactive nature of these dashboards. They include filters and charts that make exploring data more intuitive and engaging. Plus, when integrated with tools like Excel and Power BI, our analysis capabilities are greatly enhanced, making it easier to drill down into details and uncover deeper insights. Finally, the dashboards we develop display live data about attendance, grades, resource use, and teacher performance. This real-time view provides us with a comprehensive snapshot of our school's key metrics at any moment, empowering us to make smarter, more strategic decisions quickly. Power Apps frees teachers to spend more time teaching and supporting students. By reducing administrative tasks, educators can focus on what really matters, their core mission of helping students succeed. When we talk about empowering educators, we're referring to automating routine activities like data entry, approvals, and reporting. This helps cut down on paperwork and makes their work more efficient. Power Apps simplifies workflows and reduces errors in administrative processes, which means less time wasted on fixing mistakes and more time dedicated to student engagement. Overall, streamlining administrative workflows with Power Apps allows teachers and staff to focus on their primary goal, educating and supporting students effectively. Power Apps really shines when it comes to supporting real-time collaboration. This means that at any moment, staff, students, and parents can stay connected and work together more effectively. It helps strengthen teamwork by making communication smooth and immediate. Custom apps created with Power Apps allow everyone in the school community to stay engaged and informed, fostering a more supportive environment. And to take that even further, Power Apps integrate seamlessly with Microsoft Teams. This integration enables instant messaging and easy sharing of information, making collaboration even more seamless. So, whether it's coordinating events, sharing updates, or solving issues quickly, these tools come together to create a more connected and efficient school experience. This is all about streamlining communication to build a stronger, more engaged school community. Now, let's look ahead to the future of Power Apps in schools. One exciting development is how personalized learning tools are expanding what Power Apps can do. These tools are specifically designed to meet the unique needs of each educational institution, making learning more tailored and effective. By expanding capabilities with these personalized tools, Power Apps is helping schools become smarter and more efficient in their operations. The focus is very much on creating a student-centered environment where technology supports both teaching and learning. Furthermore, Power Apps connects various systems within a school, streamlining workflows and reducing manual effort. This integration improves data accuracy across different school functions, which is crucial for making informed decisions. And with AI integration, tasks like data entry are accelerated significantly. AI also helps with performance analysis, allowing schools to identify areas for improvement faster and more accurately. Overall, these advancements are about making schools more connected, efficient, and responsive to students' needs, aligning perfectly with our goal of transforming education through innovative technology. Thank you for joining me in exploring how Power Apps can truly transform school administration. If you're interested in a deeper dive, I encourage you to visit the link provided on the slide. There, you'll find a comprehensive article that covers all the details and practical insights. Remember, the key takeaway is that streamlining administrative processes with Power Apps not only saves time, but also enhances efficiency and accuracy across the board. This approach aligns perfectly with our overall theme of leveraging technology to create smarter, more responsive educational environments. So, I invite you to check out the full article and see how these solutions can make a real difference in your schools.